Good day mga kayam! Gawa tayo ng noodles, white noodles or creamy noodles with prawns and mushroom. Nagsaute na ako dyan ng sliced mushrooms and chopped garlic. Add the chicken broth or vegetable broth, any broth na meron kayo. And then, lagyan din natin ng pepper at yung ating cooking cream. So, yung cooking cream is 250 ml, pwede na yan. And then, grated cheese. Yung sa grated cheese, pwedeng parmesan or cheddar cheese. Pagkahalo natin, lagay na rin natin yung ating cooked pasta. So, al dente yung ating pasta ayon sa packaging. And then, yung ating cooked prawns, nilagay ko na rin dyan. Cook with butter and season with salt and pepper yung ating prawns. Haluin lang mabuti at si-serve sa ating bowl and top with the grated cheese. It's ready to serve. Yum! Happy cooking and enjoy eating!